Alright, here we go guys. 1965 Lincoln Continental. Hopefully you watched our first video where we rescued this out of the barn. First wash in over 30 years. So we're gonna see how she cleans up. First step, no windows were working because the battery's not hooked up, so we went ahead and taped up all the windows. Now AJ's giving everything a nice bath, pressure washing the top, the body, the engine bay, everything. Alright, I brought the big guns out now for the interior cleaning. Avery, what do you think of the new car? No, this is the biggest car. Avery, should we take this instead of the RV? No? Okay, we're going to do the interior cleaning, Avery, so take everything out of the interior, okay? All the books, everything off the floor. Oh, I know it's wet because we're washing it. Soapy water. We'll hit the whole interior now. Get the 30 years of dirt off the interior. 30 years of sitting in a barn. How crazy is that? The good dash is actually pretty nice. Yeah. It doesn't look like there's any cracks at all. In here, got some more Reggies, insurance. Oh, I know, Avery. Nickels, wrap up nickels.
Did you take a bath in here?
I don't think so.
Then why is there one of those?
No. That's, yeah, maybe you did take a bath, Avery.
Afternoon, AJ.
Afternoon, Matt.
What am I doing here on Easter break? Derek said he had a car for me. Is this true? Did you go, what, did he buy something else?
Yeah, he bought something else.
Oh. Fuck.